Nanak Paneer and Nanak Desi Ghee, and we're going to talk with Mr. Amrit Singh ji, who is the owner of Nanak Paneer. आप पंजाब में कहाँ से हो?
होशियारपुर से।
कितने साल से हैं यहाँ पे?
23 years.
और when did you start Nanak Paneer?
About 6 years ago.
What prompted you to start Nanak Paneer?
Just this area didn't have Nanak Paneer, so we just got a chance to bring it here.
तो where is आपका जो पनीर का ऑफिस है वो कहाँ पे है?
It's in Carteret in New Jersey.
न्यू जर्सी से आप न्यूयॉर्क आते हैं?
Yes.
तो आपके कहाँ आप सप्लाई करते हैं?
हम लोग ट्राई स्टेट में सप्लाई करते हैं।
Connecticut, New York and New Jersey. और आपका बिजनेस इज ओनली विद इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स या बाकी अमेरिकन रेस्टोरेंट्स भी लेते हैं?
मोस्टली इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में है। इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट, इंडियन स्टोर्स।
क्या क्या आप बनाते हैं?
जैसे नानक पनीर है, देसी घी है, और हमारे पास पकौड़ा है, पनीर पकौड़ा, पनीर पॉपर्स है, रसमलाई है।
तो ये जो पनीर पकौड़ा, पॉपर्स एंड रसमलाई है वो फ्रोजन होगा?
वो फ्रोजन है।
तो वो आप रेस्टोरेंट्स को बेचते हैं?
रेस्टोरेंट को बेचते, स्टोरों को भी बेचते हैं।
इसके पहले आप क्या करते थे?
इससे पहले आई हैव अ कोरियर सर्विस।
ओके।
सिंह मैसेंजर सर्विस।
हाँ।
Still doing that too.
हाँ।
So that's on site.
How do you find the time to run two businesses?
That business is right now a little slow.
हाँ.
So I'm putting my time mostly here. I have workers there doing their job.
And you personally deliver most of the paneer?
Yes. Me and one of my partner.
How many times in a week do you come to the city?
We come to city mostly once a week, sometime twice a week.
बस? फिर कनेटिकट कब जाते हो?
कनेटिकट हम लोग मोस्टली वेडनेसडे जाते हैं। न्यूयॉर्क का पूरे एरिया वेडनेसडे कवर करते हैं, बाकी सब स्टोर।
हाँ। और सिटी में आप डाउनटाउन से लेकर अपटाउन तक
मंडे को कवर करते हैं।
मंडे को। How many hours do you spend doing it?
We mostly, start 8:30 in the morning. Sometimes we reach home like 10:30, 11 o'clock.
Really?
Yes.
That is about 14-15 hours.
Yes.
और खाना वगैरह कहाँ खाते हो?
खाना वगैरह घर से लेके आते हैं।
Really?
जहाँ भूख लगी खा लिया।
रोटी शोटी उठा के ले आते हैं?
जो हम वेजिटेरियन।
हाँ।
It's very hard to get a food like that.
No, जब रेस्टोरेंट्स को इतना सप्लाई करते हैं वो।
We don't have time for that to sit and eat. We don't have time, half an hour to waste.
Wow. And business आपका अच्छा चल रहा है? कौन है बिजनेस में?
Business में one is my partner, Mr. Jitendra Bakshi.
हाँ.
Me myself, I'm the president, he is the vice president.
हाँ. And कितने वर्कर्स हैं आपके साथ?
एक वर्कर है।
और ये पनीर वगैरह कौन बनाता है?
This comes from Vancouver, Surrey. It's a Punjab milk food product they make.
वैंकूवर से यहाँ आता है? तो आप यहाँ पे उसको रीपैकेज करके?
No, why we don't do anything. We just go to the stores.
So it comes as Nanak Paneer.
Comes as is.
Nanak Paneer.
Nanak Paneer, Nanak Rasmalai, Nanak Desi Ghee, Nanak Paneer Pakoda, Poppers.
सब कनाडा से आता है। आपको यहाँ पे कैसा लग रहा है यूएस में?
यूएस में it's good. No complaints so far.
जाते हैं आप पंजाब वापस?
Yes.
कब?
Maybe after a couple of years.
So every 2-3 years you go? Where do you like staying? Do you like staying here, or would you like to go back to India and stay there?
That's a tough question, India is a place. When we go to India, we never like to come back here. If we are here, then we have no time to go back there.
So you're caught in between both the places. Where would you like to retire?
That's a good question. My family is here. My kids are here. So hopefully here.
You want to retire here?
But I would like to, spend my old days in India.
Do you have a house or property?
I have also.
होशियारपुर में?
होशियारपुर में, दिल्ली में भी है।
Do you have family back in होशियारपुर?
Yeah, my father, my brothers.
Father, brother, you're the only one here from your family. So when you came 23 years ago, how different was it here? Did you come straight to New York?
I came straight to New York to study in FIT.
Fashion Institute of Technology. क्या पढ़ने आए थे?
मैं पढ़ने आया था knitting technology और fashion designing में.
हाँ.
So I came as an exchange visitor student.
हाँ. So you never took advantage of your degree?
I didn't get a chance.
And then you got into business?
And then I got it.
So all the way from Hoshiarpur to FIT and now into food business. What a difference, huh?
Yes, really big change. I did try to go back in that same line, but you know, it was a very bad time that time, so I couldn't go back. I was making good money in courier service, so I was not able to make that much money in other business, so I didn't go in.
Okay. Do any of your family members want to come here?
Yeah, they do. My father comes here,
Huh.
and my brother, they like to come here, but it's very hard to bring them here.
It is, huh? Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Sat Sri Akal.